Alright, so we're going to install the Django on Python 3 in Linux Ubuntu. So what we're going to do is to write this line of code, sudo apt install python 3 hyphen Django, and we're going to run it. Since we're going sudo, it's going to need our password. Now as you can see, I've already installed the Django, so I don't have to do that again. So going back, we're going to check our version, which is 2.2.12, and over here we're going to start our project, which is a new file basically, as project 1. We're going to name it as project 1. We're going to write a function Django admin start project, then our file name will be project 1. So we're going to run it. It's already created. Now let's go to change directory. I think I have it here. Change directory project 1, and then we list it. So as you can see here, there is the Python file and then the directory for project 1. Now what we're going to do is to migrate the Python file into our Django server. So what we're going to do is just write this line down, python 3 manage.py, and then the function migrate. So what it's going to do is that it's going to apply any and all protocols. And what we're going to do now is to create a super user, basically an administrator, for the server itself. So it's going to ask for our username. I'm just going to leave it blank as default, and then it's going to need our email. I'm just going to use this email, and then our password clearly. Now super user has created successfully. So next we're going to do is to run the server. Now we can quit the server using Ctrl+C, and our IP address of the server is this 127.0.0.1, and we're going to copy the link, head to Firefox. Now that we're in Firefox, we're going to paste and go just to see if our server is working. Now the install has worked successfully. Now what we're going to do is to log into the server itself. So local admin, that was it. Local admin 8000, and then sorry, not localhost, local admin, localhost. Now we're going to log in using our username and password that we've made in the terminal. Say Alright, so here it is. This is our admin view of our server itself. Now we're going to exit the server for a while, as we're going to create a new project called hello. So, or any name, but for simplicity terms, I'm just going to put it as hello. So what we're going to do now is to Ctrl+C, we end the server, and now we're going to check our list, see what we have. Now this is our DB, just newly created after we've made the Django. Now admin start application, let's say hello. Okay, it's already been made. Let's check it again. Oops, there you go, hello. Now we're going to change our directory to hello, and we're going to edit the directory with using nano. A bit of correction just now, I accidentally omitted the S. Now if we miss any letter, we will not get this, which is what we actually want. Now from here, we're going to write our hello response in HTTP. So from header, right, hello, and then our closing header. Now that we have this, we're going to save it, and we go to set lines, and we're going to exit. Going back to our main directory over here. Now we are heading, changing our directory to project 1. Sorry, uh, let's list it up first. Okay, so um, project 1, project 1. Alright, so let's list this down, see what we have. Now we're going to urls.py. Oh, sorry. We're going to edit in urls.py. Lines. Now from over here, we're going to add the hello just now that we made, import use, and then over here we're going to add another path, which is path hello. Oh. Now from here we're going to save our URLs. Alright, so let's exit, and now what we're going to do is change our directory again, and head we will rerun our server again. Oops, give me a moment. Forgot a semicolon. Forgot a colon here. Oops, that's why that was an error. Right, now we save. Now we exit. Now we change our directories again, and try run. Okay, now the server is running. So what we're going to do is head back to Mozilla. Let's just get this first. Oops, made a mistake here. So what we need is this link, but we are going to paste and change it to hello, and there you go. Yes, display hello in hypertext transfer protocol in header 1, and that's how you update a local host using the Django and Python. Thank you so much for watching.